Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about PAL, that means Programmable Array Logic. It is most commonly used PLD. PLD, it means Programmable Logic Devices. PLDs are three types. That means first one is PROM, Programmable ROM. Second one is PAL, Programmable Array Logic. Third one is PLA, Programmable Logic Array. In PLA, we use programmable and programmable OR gates. But in PAL, we use programmable and fixed arrays, fixed OR arrays. Because of this, PAL logic circuit is simple, but there are some small issues. Regarding flexibility in PAL. Now we are going to discuss about implementation of ladder using PAL, that means Programmable Array Logic. Full ladder have three inputs. Two outputs. A, B, C are inputs. Sum and carry are outputs. Here we get three inputs, so we get 8 combinations. That is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1. The sum of these three inputs is 0 and carry is 0. Sum of these three inputs is 1, carry is 0. Sum 1, carry 0. Sum 0, carry 1. Sum 1, carry 0. Sum 0, carry 1. Sum 0, carry 1. Sum 1 and carry 1. Now we have to draw K-maps for sum and carry. Because of three inputs, we have to draw 3 variable K-map. 1, 2, 3, 4. A bar A, B bar C bar, B bar C, B C, B, C bar. Now we have to fill it with some output. 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 0. There is no pairs. We have to draw. We have to get output using our isolated pairs. Sum is A bar B bar C plus A bar B C bar plus A B bar C bar plus A B C. Now we have to draw K-map for carry output. That is also 3 variable K-map. A bar A, B bar C bar, B bar C, B C, B C bar. Now we have to fill this with carry output. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Here we get pairs, 3 pairs. 1, 2, 3. Now the carry equation is BC plus AC plus AB. We have to draw logic circuit inputs. A bar, B bar, C bar. Here we connect the NOT gate to get complement of A. One, 2, 3, 4 AND gates. First sum 1, 2, 3 AND gates for carry. Now we have to connect the inputs. We have sum equation is A bar B bar C plus A bar B bar C. That means A bar B bar C and A bar B C bar. A bar B C bar. A B bar C bar. A B bar C bar. A B C and last one is A B C. A B C and these are all AND gates are connected to one fixed OR gate. Here these 4 AND gates are programmable and this one OR gate is fixed OR gate. Now we have to take carry B C B C A C A C and A B. Again these 3 outputs are connected to fixed OR gate. Here we get sum and here we get carry. Carry is A XOR B XOR C, and sum is A bar B bar C plus A bar B C bar plus A B bar C bar and A B C. Thank you all.